IDoTV.
Hey guys, welcome to IDoTV. I'm Rose. Today I want to share a simple activity. It's called Drop the Rolling Ball. What you need is any kinds of baskets, rope, and a ball. Place the baskets in a row and put the rope and the ball by the side. Tape the flashcards on the basket. We are almost ready. We need 3 friends. A friend who will drop the ball. Another friend who will hold the rope.
Green.
The other friend who will put the ball between the lines.
It's green.
When the ball is rolling over the right basket, open your arms wide. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. Bye-bye.